I feel like buying my mother. If I see my mother right now, I will buy my mother. She put me in this condition. My name is Peace. I'm from Delta State. My mother told me that my grandfather is my biological father. I never knew this until my 28 years of age. I came to find out that whom I called my dad is not my dad, rather my stepfather. Whom I called my grandfather is my biological father. This is what happened. When I was in a university, my parents, they don't have enough money like that. There was this man that want to pay my bride price. He came to ask my hand in marriage after I graduated. I called my parents that the man that has been helping me want to marry me. He is from Anambra State. And my mommy is from Anambra State. She got married to a man in Delta State. After telling my stepfather and my mom about this man that want to ask my hand in marriage that has been helping me throughout my university, my daddy, front face, I saw this look on his face. I was like, what is going on? Don't they want me to marry? I told my mother the state that I found my daddy, that the way he is looking, I don't really like it. What is going on? The next day, I called my daddy again, that take this money. This man that want to ask my hand in marriage gave me this money to give you people to hold and buy some certain things because they are about to come. My daddy refused, that is my stepdaddy, refused to collect the money. And he told me that didn't my mommy tell me anything? I said no. Is there anything that I don't know? I asked my mom, is there anything that I don't know? My mother said no. So one fateful morning, both of them called me and said that I should come. I came and we were sitting in the parlor. My mommy and my daddy started narrating this story. My mommy told me that she got pregnant from his daddy, his biological father. His biological father impregnated her when she was 16 years old. She ran out of the house and she met with my stepfather, which they were living together until my mother gave birth to me and my other siblings. So along the line, they were living together. My mommy did not travel back to the village again. They were living together. My mommy was telling me this story together with my stepdad, that my biological father is my grandfather. Right now, I am devastated. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to tell this guy. I don't know how to tell this man that has been with me for years throughout my university. He has been the one helping my parents to train me because we don't have any money. I don't know what to do. Please, I need help. What should I do? My mommy, after telling me this story, she ran away. I don't know where to get my mommy. If I see my mommy right now, I feel like buying my mother. I need help. What should I do? My people, you heard her story. This is so pathetic. My sister, your mommy is not the cause. What you people will do, since your mommy is from Igbo land, there is something we call Ikwaro. Let your stepfather and your mom go to the village, your mother's village. Let the king smell, see, and they will do a tradition called Ikwaro. My people, please, she need your advice right now. She sent me this message, so I have to say it here. See you guys again. Follow this page for more story like this.